Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video. Today we're showcasing 20 new Festool tools just released. Are they really worth buying? From precision engineering to next level performance, these tools promise serious upgrades for pros and DIYers alike. Stay tuned as we break down features, value, and whether they deserve a spot in your workshop.
Planer HLC Astondismit DV. The Festool HLC 82 cordless planer is an 18-volt, 82mm wide powerhouse designed for precision woodworking. Its spiral blade with a drawing cut delivers an exceptionally smooth surface with minimal sanding. Featuring a brushless ECTEC motor, precise depth adjustment up to 2.5mm, versatile chamfering, and a 25mm rebate capacity, it handles a wide range of tasks. Dual dust extraction, safety features, and an ergonomic soft grip design enhance comfort and safety, while Bluetooth connectivity enables smart integration with compatible Festool dust extractors. SYS-Roll Dolly. The Festool SYS-Roll Dolly is a rugged mobile solution for moving Festool Systainer and Sortainer cases effortlessly. With a 100kg load capacity, large 100mm wheels, and locking brakes, it glides smoothly over uneven surfaces. An integrated lockable drawer holds small tools, while the included tension strap secures stacked Systainers. The ergonomic adjustable handle ensures comfortable transport, and full compatibility with all Systainer and Sortainer generations makes this dolly an essential, versatile tool for workshops and job sites. SYS-MFT FX Clamping Systainer Set. The Festool SYS-MFT FX Clamping Systainer Set is a versatile work-holding kit designed for the Festool MFT Multifunction Table and MW1000 mobile workshop. It includes lever clamps, fixed clamps, low-profile stops, and locking handles, enabling secure positioning of workpieces of any shape or thickness. All components fit the MFT's 20mm hole grid and V-groove edges, allowing fast horizontal and vertical clamping. Housed in a compact Systainer, the set ensures organised storage, easy transport, and durable, long-lasting performance. Domino Tenons. The Festool Domino Tenons are precision-crafted, solid wood, loose tenons designed for rotation-proof, exceptionally strong joints. Their flat, elongated shape ensures perfect alignment, while specialized glue pockets and longitudinal grooves optimize adhesion and prevent material movement. Available in durable beech for indoor use and weather-resistant Sipo, mahogany, for outdoor projects, they combine the strength of traditional mortise and tenon joints with the convenience of biscuits. Pre-marked sizes and versatile dimensions from 4x20mm to 14x140mm make them ideal for furniture, frames, panels, and more. BR10 SysRock Jobsite Radio. The Festool BR10 SysRock Jobsite Radio is a rugged compact audio solution built for demanding work environments. Featuring a 10-watt neodymium speaker with dynamic sound processing (DSP), it delivers clear, rich sound without distortion. Powered by AC or Festool Li-ion batteries, it offers Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calling, FM/DAB plus reception, and a USB charging port. Its durable non-slip design, tripod mount compatibility, and swiveling hook ensure versatile placement, making it an essential portable radio for any job site. Festool CT-MIDI IAC Mobile Dust Extractor. The Festool CT-MIDI IAC Mobile Dust Extractor is a compact, high-performance solution for professionals needing clean, efficient workspaces. Its auto-clean feature keeps filters clear, maintaining strong suction, while the touchscreen and Bluetooth integration allow smart, automatic operation with compatible tools. Lightweight and portable, it includes smooth hoses, HEPA filtration, adjustable suction, and Systainer docking for seamless tool organization. Ideal for sanders, routers, and high dust environments, it ensures powerful, quiet, and hassle-free dust extraction anywhere. Festool Dust Extractors CT Divdesmit Seishi. The Festool CT 26 Mobile Dust Extractor is a high-capacity, durable vacuum ideal for job site cleanup and stationary tool use. Its 26-litre container minimises bag changes, while a powerful turbine delivers airflow up to 3,900 litres per minute for thorough dust and chip extraction. Features include anti-static design, smooth suction hose, integrated Systainer docking, tool-triggered auto mode, adjustable suction, and large wheels with a parking brake. HEPA filtration ensures L or M class dust protection for safe, efficient operation. ETSC 125/150 cordless eccentric sanders. The Festool ETSC 125 and 150 cordless eccentric sanders deliver professional-grade sanding with the freedom of 18-volt brushless power. Ergonomically designed with soft grips and low vibration, they ensure comfort during extended use. The ECT-EC motor and MMC electronics provide consistent speed, overload protection, and long runtime. With variable speed control, edge protectors, and mobile dust extraction compatibility, these sanders handle detail work ETSC 125 or large surfaces ETSC 150 efficiently. Optional plug-it adapter adds corded versatility. SYS-AIR air filter. The Festool SysLight KBSC is a robust cordless construction light delivering up to 5,000 lumens of daylight-like illumination. Its infinitely dimmable LEDs, 700 to 5,000 lumens, with 5,000 Kelvin color temperature and CRI greater than 80 RA, provide accurate color representation for precise work. The swiveling lamp body offers versatile positioning with magnets, screw mounts, tripod compatibility, and a carrying handle. Built for tough environments, it is shock, dust, and splash resistant IP54 and runs on any Festool 18-volt battery for cable-free operation. Guide rail system. The Festool Guide rail system delivers precise, splinter-free cuts with unmatched control, forming the backbone of Festool's saw and router ecosystem. Key features include an integrated splinter guard for clean edges, zero-play adjustable guidance jaws for stability, and non-slip adhesion cushions to secure the rail without clamps. Low-friction guide strips ensure smooth movement, while recessed channels accept clamps and accessories. Rails connect easily for longer cuts, support angle stops, deflectors, and routers, and include clear scales for accurate measurements. Multifunction table MFT/3. The Festool MIFT/3 Multifunction Table is a portable precision work platform that integrates seamlessly with Festool tools, including saws, routers, and sanders. Its perforated 20mm grid top, guide rail groove, and adjustable angle stop allow accurate cuts, routing, and clamping of various workpieces. Foldable legs and V-groove channels provide stability and portability, while durable MDF and aluminum construction ensure long-lasting performance. Ideal for cutting, sanding, assembly, and clamping irregular shapes, the MFT/3 turns any workspace into a versatile, professional-grade workshop. TG-LHS 225. The Festool TG-LHS 225 carrying harness is an ergonomic solution for long-reach sanding with the Planex 225 EQ and Planex Easy Sanders. It supports the sander's weight, reducing arm fatigue during overhead work, and features adjustable height for users 1.6 to 1.9 meters tall. The harness includes an auxiliary handle for better control, allows tool-free assembly, and works with extensions for ceilings up to 2.6 meters. Compact storage in a Systainer ensures safe transport and organized workspace. Router OF 1010R. The Festool Router OF 1010R is a compact lightweight plunge router ideal for precision woodworking, edge profiling, and joinery. Its ergonomic design with side handle controls ensures comfortable one-handed operation. Featuring zero-play plunging, micro-adjustable depth control, and integrated dust extraction, it delivers clean, accurate cuts while keeping the workspace tidy. MMC electronics maintain constant speed under load, and the plug-it cord allows quick tool swaps. Seamlessly integrates with Festool guide rails, MFT/3 tables, and accessories for versatile professional results. CXS/TXS 12 cordless drill. The Festool CXS 12 and TXS 12 are compact 12-volt, 10.8-volt rated cordless drill/drivers designed for precision and comfort. Equipped with a powerful brushless ECTEC motor, they offer 13 torque settings, tool-free fast fix versatility, and compatibility with Festool's 18-volt system. The CXS 12 features an ergonomic C handle, while the TXS 12 has a T handle for comfort. Both include LED lighting, magnetic bit holders, and reversible belt clips, making them perfect for light to medium assembly and tight space tasks. SYS-MFT Tabletop Systainer. The Festool SYS-MFT Tabletop Systainer combines portable storage with a functional work surface. Its MDF top features a standard MFT grid, 13 clamping points, a V-groove for round stock, and a non-skid strip for secure work holding. Compatible with the Festool system, it stacks with Systainers, Sortainers, and dust extractors. The durable ABS case supports up to 110 pounds, stores tools and accessories, and offers a replaceable MDF top. A slotted handle ensures easy transport, making it ideal for on-the-go projects. Cordless Module Edge Router. The Festool MFKC 700KA is an 18-volt cordless edge router engineered for precise trimming and rounding of laminates and edge banding. Its unique KA ball-bearing base ensures streak-free glides on overhanging edges, while the brushless ECT-EC motor delivers quiet, powerful, and material-adaptive performance. Cordless mobility allows freedom on large workpieces, and micro-adjustable depth ensures precision down to 0.1 mm. Integrated dust extraction keeps surfaces clean, and Bluetooth connectivity pairs with Festool Extractors for automatic operation, offering versatility and superior results. Cordless Edge Router OFKC 500. The Festool Cordless Edge Router OFKC 500 is a lightweight, ergonomic and precise tool designed for flawless edge finishing. Powered by an 18-volt brushless ECT-EC motor, it ensures quiet, long-lasting performance with precise depth adjustments in 0.1 mm increments. Its hard fibre base runner protects surfaces, while optimised balance and slim design enhance control. Features include efficient dust extraction, quick cutter changes, and adjustable speed, 10,000 to 25,000 RPM. Compatible with R2, R3, and 45-degree chamfer cutters for versatile edge work. Cordless Circular Saw HKC 55K. The Festool Cordless Circular Saw HK C55K is an 18-volt, 160mm powerhouse designed for safety, precision, and versatility. Its kickback stop instantly stops the blade during jamming, while the brushless ECT-EC motor delivers up to 5,200 revolutions per minute for efficient cuts. Compatible with FSK guide rails, it creates a portable miter saw system. Features include plunge cuts with depth adjustment, thin curved blades for faster work, fast fix blade changes, integrated dust extraction, and precise bevel adjustments from 0 degrees to 50 degrees, making it ideal for professional woodworking. Exoskeleton ExoActive EXO Aston Padsmith. The Festool ExoActive EXO18 is a battery-powered exoskeleton that reduces shoulder and neck strain during overhead work by up to 30%, making tasks like painting or drywall installation easier. Its active support system offers adjustable force levels, while the ergonomic backpack-style design ensures comfort, freedom of movement, and a tailored fit. Compatible with Festool 18-volt batteries, it features Bluetooth connectivity for app control, washable straps for hygiene, and a durable transport case for safe storage and easy use.